The null object is basically an empty layer with only the 5 basic transform properties connected to it. By creating two shapes, say a rectangle with a star inside, instead of animating them both individually or separately, we can use a null object to be able to control them both together. So first, if I want to center the anchor point, marking all the 3 layers together, right-click or press layer in the top menu, go to transform, then center anchor point in layer content. Move the star and null to match up with a rectangle, holding control if you're on a PC or option on a Mac to kind of snap it in place. Mark the 2 shape layers, then use the pick whip to link or parent them to the null object. And now suddenly we're able to move both shape layers at the same time using only the null layer as a controller for the 2 layers. It comes in very handy when using 2 or more different layers with the same type of movement, and also when you have several different camera movements that you want to control a little bit easier, while also be able to use it for motion tracking. And with a null object, Command or Control plus Option or Alt plus Shift plus Y.